guys, another day and another chikahan. Our view. Yes, there's no more snow here because it was raining the whole day yesterday. But look at the snow on the mountains. Yeah. So today I'm just gonna wash my face and prepare. We are going to Lake Tekapo and Lake Kaki, maybe on that side, experiencing the hot spring there. Hi guys, so we are ready. Joseph is ready and we are now going to Lake Tekapo hot spring.
We are so late, guys. We are so late.
That is so true. So it will take us 1 hour and 15 minutes. Oh wait. Don't push me.
I need to push you because we're late. You can with what?
Hello, Bob.
Hello, Baba.
Hello, we're in the hot spring. I know. Just vlogging. There's something in between.
What's something in between?
This is the four cheese pizza and fries.
Hello, Mazda.
Finally, our canceled scenic flight yesterday is rebooked for today. We rang them around 1:30 and they said that the weather today is good, so we are off to Glacier Airport. So it's a scenic flight. It's gonna be scary for me, right, Joseph? We are late again because we came from Tekapo. You know, they should have ring you.
They could have.
If they ring you like 1, then we could have like...
They could have skipped the shitty pizza.
Yeah.
And cold coffee. I mean cold hot chocolate.
Cold hot chocolate. That was really cold hot chocolate. But anyway, we are on our way now and we'll take you with us. I hope it's gonna be good because it's scary. I'm scared. It's my first time helicopter. Is it your first time?
I think so. I did a couple planes, but no helicopter.
I'm scared, but anyway, Lord, please guide us. So we just changed to our winter clothes because it's gonna be cold up in the mountain. So I hope they're not,
clouds.
I hope they're not gonna leave us because we will be late in like 5 or 7 minutes. So
I'm definitely not speeding, so we have to go 100 kilometers per hour at the most.
Yeah.
At the most.
Yeah.
And at the moment we have ETA 5 minutes late. So let's hope we're gonna be alright. There's a helicopter right in front of us.
Oh no! They left us. No, that's a different maybe one.
Yeah, that's
It's a
spraying one.
Yeah. they gave you
He's
for
giving me
us?
way. Thank
Oh,
you.
okay. Cool. Thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah. There's the helicopter. There you go. Ready?
Hmm?
Are you ready?
I am born ready.
There you go.
Question
Here.
is, are you ready? So we're going with HAO. like a drug.
It
was bad. It was really bad, but also I want more. I want more because it was pretty cool, but it was so scary.
Sunny. Yeah, it was like, oh. I'm gonna take a picture of you first.
I thought we're gonna take a picture like a couple, like how we walking or something. Very good, well.
Oh, nice.
Hold on.
Hi guys, that's it for today. I think for the videos, I wasn't able to close the vlog every day, and I'm so sorry. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. That was really fun. Yesterday was not really fun. It was sad because it was raining and we can't do anything but sleep, but the dinner was good. Yeah, so that's it for today's vlog, guys. I hope to see you tomorrow for another adventure. We don't know what to do yet, but we might go back to Tikapo or somewhere, I don't know, but we'll see. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Mwah.